Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever in the world you are. My name is Nsambi Jaja. I am a certified management consultant, project manager, change management professional, and I am so grateful for the opportunity to have interacted with the All Nations University students in this session that Dr. Nelson and I just completed with them. Dr. Nelson took them through a futures exercise where they were asked to imagine their future in 30 years. They had to step into that space and language it in the present. And then they were supposed to do a futures exercise, which they mapped out their project of the future, and then to speak of how successful it has been in that 30-year period. My job was to take them through project management. And the initial intent was really just to help them to carve out a project charter. But then I recognized that they had not been exposed to project management at all and didn't have much in terms of knowledge and information. So I took them through an overview of project management, what it is. I introduced them to the traditional waterfall method and the processes. I also introduced them to Agile, and we were able to go through the whole process, and then their task was to craft a project management charter that was based on a template that I gave them. I was just so impressed with these youngsters. They are thinkers first and foremost, and that's the key. You can have knowledge, but if you're not able to apply it in a specific way, then it basically is not as useful as it could be. And what they were able to do is take the knowledge that they got to apply it to a real situation, a real project, and to do the charter. And the charter had a number of different components in it. And at the end of it, many of them found the usefulness of the exercise they went through on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, a 10. It was a joy, an honor, and a privilege working with these new engineering students. Some of them are doing oil and gas engineering. They're from Nigeria, many of them. Computer engineering, and this conference that they participated in was on space. And the way they were able to engage and interact and contribute was really a joy. It was a pleasure and a privilege working with these new students. Thanks, Dr. Mensa. Thank you, Ernest. Thank you, Joe. And all the other members of the ANU team that made this such a memorable experience for us. Thank you.